Surrounded by miniature robot warriors, stacked boxes of model kits, and a makeshift video studio, Air Station Sergeant Dennis Kern's barracks room serves as both museum and production lab.
It all started back when I was a kid, when it came on Cartoon Network. I started building when I was a little kid, but then maybe a couple of years after I got out of it. And then when I came over here to Iwakuni, a friend of mine actually built a couple, and it kind of sparked the nostalgia of the entire franchise. For me at least, and then I started building maybe one or two turned into about 10 turned into like 50, and so now I'm sitting in the 80s right now.
After completing a Gundam model, Sergeant Kern posts a review on YouTube, oftentimes joined by fellow video enthusiast Lance Corporal Nick DeFalco and their sarcastic Gundam sidekick, Steve.
Hello YouTube, this is Osama.
This is a very intimate hobby because you're taking so much time out of your schedule to create this, so it's something that you like to share with other people.
Like that?
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to put me down.
Steve, you need to calm down.
No, you don't tell me.
Steve, please calm down.
All right.
Well, I was actually really surprised. Like, I heard he had a lot of Gundams, but I walked into his room and I was like, oh, you have a lot of Gundams. Not many Marines make YouTube videos. Not many Marines make, build Gundams. But it keeps him, at ease. It keeps him calm. Keeps his mind off, the stress and being away from family and being in Japan. So it helps a lot actually.
As Sergeant Kern's life as a Marine in Japan continues to unfold, so too does his legacy as a Gundam enthusiast. Lance Corporal Joshua DeFour, Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan.